Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida, which might be getting a tropical storm this weekend. And if you know what today is, if you're checking in the video, you know it's Tool Time Thursday. So today Tool Time Thursday is going to be a little bit different. I really don't have a tool that I have picked out yet for Tool Time Thursday, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna pick.
This video was brought to you by Tasty Cake.
Honey bun. Ronnie knows the way to my heart. And it's super duper hot out today, so I'm not sure what tool I'm gonna go over today. I might just show you the toolbox again and say, hey, this is what this is. And then next week, you guys tell me in the comments which tool you want me to go over, or which tool you think I should get, or which tool you think is a good tool to have in my arsenal. But again, guys, as usual, if this is your first time or not your first time checking out the videos, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, bell icon, ding, for future uploads. Ronnie over there pushing stuff. He's over here. I told him all the time. What I tell you? Don't
touching my car.
I didn't say any car. Ronnie, you see a dust. You see dust on the car. He goes like this. Whoosh.
All lies.
That's exactly what he does. I'm like, Ronnie, you're scratching the car. You're making it worse. I see he's checking out my parts collection over there. That's in the other video coming. But I'll show you guys into the toolbox, and then just a quick overview this week. As you can see, look at my neck. I'm sweating. Woo! It's hot out here. Look. See that? It's hot. So I'm going to go over a quick overview with the toolbox. Next week, I'll have a more specific tool. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. This guy right here. This guy right here. He's over here troubling, touching stuff. He's over there putting a fishing hat on. But yeah, let's get into showing you the rest of the toolbox, and then it'll be a quick Tool Time Thursday video, guys. Here we go. All right, look, in today's episode, I have a sister here. We're gonna go over these tools right here. What are these tools, Ronnie?
Those are 30 mic shells.
Come on, come show us the tools. If you guys don't know, Ronnie, he's a gunner on gunships. And not ships in the ocean, but the airplanes. Some people gotta say that for. Brody. Look, sound like I hear one right now. There go one right up there. That is a gunship. It has the two ball sensors on there. We don't have.
And the toothpick.
And the toothpick, which is the gun. So what's this, Ronnie? What do you use these tools for?
Those are to neutralize the bad guy.
How'd you neutralize them?
There used to be a projectile on the end of this.
So when you're done with it, does it stay in the belt like this?
Yep.
It doesn't eject them one at a time?
It feeds it through and then drops it down into a big bend. That's on the ACJ. I'm the ACU guy.
How many of these you could use a minute?
On the current plan, I believe it's around 200 round a minute shot for the 30 mic.
On your?
My plane didn't have this. It had a 25, a 40, and a 105. 25 shot a lot faster than this gun.
Which is a little bit, I think. Oh, look at here. What do we have here? What's this one?
That is 25 millimeter.
Yep, that's the other one. Oh, look, I have another one. But I'm a little, oh man, I can't reach. I'm a little bit vertically challenged.
That's the fan favorite.
What's this one?
That's the 105 howitzer shell.
Yep, and then there's this one.
No, that's the 40.
This is this one.
That's the Bofors cannon round, 40 mic.
How many rounds a minute on this one?
Cyclic rate of 100, and we'd shoot about 60 a minute.
What about those?
These were hand fed, and I could get 10 or so out legally. with safety limitations.
With safety limitations. So, impromptu Tool Thursday, tools of the trade.
Yep.
For a different trade. I hung my my mask up already. Ronnie's still rocking his.
Yep.
How many more years you think you got, Ronnie?
About 3. I'm at 20 this year.
Okay. So that's why we call him Ronnie Guns. So, what was these again?
30 Mike.
30. Where's this one?
25.
25. What's this one?
Another 30.
I know.
Try some trickery.
But look, nice impromptu. One, part of the job that we do as part of being in the military here at Special Ops. My plane was a little bit different.
You know what else these are used for?
What?
Buying Mopar parts.
How was that?
I go shoot these. Uncle Sam pays me. We get to buy parts.
Oh, I see what you're
I
saying.
pay to rent too and buy some honey buns too. But
Yeah, definitely honey buns over there. You see them. Honey buns. I would show you what's in that one, but you see it. I can't show you guys what's in that one.
no one knows what's in there.
No one knows that in that one. I don't even know what that's in that one. Brody, do you know what's in it? Broadstow, you know what's in it? You know what's in it? He says no. But see, look at there. Nice impromptu tools of the trade, a different trade. Not many of you guys, or if any of you guys, are going to be able to use or have used any of these. But there you go. So this ends another Tool Time Thursday. Me, Brody, Ronnie Guns. Thank you guys for checking out the channel. Me and Ron, we got some big things coming with the car. Next video's coming out on that. And we're going to go from there. And until then, guys, thanks for watching the video. Definitely subscribe, like, share, comment. What else? What else, Stowe? Until the next video. Come on, Stowe. Come on, we're going to do the we out. Come on, we out, Stowe. Come on. Come on, Ronnie. Come on. Bring the camera. Tap the camera. We out.
I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me to evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. We well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage of doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low when no love goes. Women buddy like